Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. This is Vision Weaving. Today's healing energy session is called Radiant Spirits. I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine. All you need to do to receive this healing is to nod or affirm yes. You can have eyes open, eyes closed, it doesn't matter. Go ahead and take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Self, that is the spirit. So just for a moment, if you can bring your awareness to the fact that you have a physical body, you have an inner child, you have a mind, and you have a spirit. And the spirit, which so often works like the heartbeat and the breath automatically without thinking, is fluid, ever-changing, morphing, flowing like water through your being. Your spirit is not bound by mental constructs, restrictions, judgments, expectations. Your spirit is free. You are a free spirit. And even though it may not feel like that all of the time, you can tune into this aspect of you that is free in any moment. Totally wild, courageous, adventuresome, curious, imaginative, tapped into the infinite possibility in any moment, aware of the infinite potential in any moment, pure, unadulterated, unconditional love. With no restrictions and no bounds. Free. This is your radiant spirit. And when you tune into your radiant spirit and you live with the knowledge of this radiant spirit and the harmonic resonance with this radiant spirit, life becomes joyful, life becomes rich, abundant, prosperous, fulfilling. Doesn't mean there aren't obstacles and challenges and hardships and heartache. Just means you have the strength and the reserve and the courage and the stamina and the willpower to find your way through. So knowing yourself as a radiant spirit, knowing yourself as free, opens so many doors. Let obstacles be dissolved. Let challenges be surmounted. Let challenges be overcome. Let problems be solved and solutions arise in divine timing. Your radiant spirit knows the way forward. Your radiant spirit knows the way through. Your radiant spirit knows the way forward in alignment with your highest good, your highest self, your true self, your authentic self. Your radiant spirit is all-knowing, so wise, wise beyond the beginning of time, wise beyond your years, lifetimes of accumulated knowledge and wisdom, experience, journeying. Your spirit has access to all of this knowledge, all of this wisdom, all of this knowing. Your radiant spirit is connected with a deep sense of belonging because it knows that we're all connected, that all is one, that we are all children of God, born into the earth. Your radiant spirit knows it's one and the same with divine nature. Welcome home, my radiant spirit, embodied in physical form, in tune, in touch, connected, present, aware, astute. Your awareness honed like a blade. Vigilance, attentiveness. Hi. Hi, my radiant spirits. Beloveds, the beloveds. Your radiant spirit will recognize another radiant spirit. That twinkle in the eye, that recognition, that acknowledgement. You'll find your people, you'll find your family, of others who are awake and aware, attentive, making a contribution. Heart-centered, in alignment with the mind. Body, mind, and spirit in harmonic coherence. Operating from this place. Holding the inner child, nurturing, safe, acknowledged, recognized, seen and heard. Holding all the parts that are broken and distorted and in shadow, all of these pieces, the dark, the shadow, all of these parts of you, all of these aspects of you that create the magnificent version of you, who you are today. Honoring the journey, honoring the pain, honoring the suffering, honoring all that you've been through, reflecting on everything that you've survived. All wisdom, all experience, all adding to the journey of the radiant spirit. Connected to forces seen and unseen, angels, spirits, guides, loved ones passed over. The whole picture. Yes. Go with love, my radiant spirits. Go with love. A wise elder once said to me, "What would love do now?" So when you're tuning in and you're aware of your radiant spirit and you face a choice or a decision or a crossroads, ask yourself, what would love do now? because your radiant spirit is pure love.